Okay, today we have Nasomatto Blamage. So this one doesn't really have any actual DNA that it's out to the public. So from what I hear, there's some suede, there's some aldehydes, there's some musk, but also with the Nasomatto range, people have different interpretations of what they smell because everyone smells things differently. So these are extrait de parfum, which is 20 to 40% oil volume, and this one is 20% oil volume. So it's on the lower side, which is pretty much in regulation with eau de parfum, but they're still quite strong. So let's open Blamage. Okay, they really stuck this one on. That was on there big time. I'm just gonna slide it. Okay, nice paper cover. These ones are really nice looking bottles. It's the travel cap. And then the bottle with the wood top, which is super nice. It's all varnished up. So I don't know if these are actual wood or they're plastic to look like wood. I would say plastic that looks like wood. Potentially. Or maybe not. It's a hard one because the other ones felt like wood. I mean, it looks like wood. Stop talking about wood. Okay. Here we go. What will we smell? It's going to be my scent of the day as well, so let's go in. Pressure atomizers on these. What do we smell? I don't smell this right away, like the black Afghano. So I am smelling animalic, leathery, musky scent. It's very subdued. I wouldn't say it's extremely loud. And that can potentially be musks don't always project or smell a lot. So if this is heavy in musk, other people are going to smell you more than you're going to smell you, because they kind of blend in with your DNA and things like that. Although some like civet can be a bit more stinky compared to deer musks. It's nice, it's light. I feel like there's this slight white floral to it, which isn't huge, but there's some kind of floral note in there, which could be labdanum because that gives you that leathery floral smell. And if you don't put, obviously, a shitload of it in, it's not going to be an abundance of leather on top. And then that's why I think they get to the suede nuances, because suede is obviously a bit more of a softer smelling leather. It's nice. It's not over the top. I feel like it's easy to wear in summer. It's summer here now, so I'm gonna be wearing this. So let's go. Because it's pressure atomizer, you don't really need to sit there pumping it, pushes out a good amount. Very musky suede leather, nothing too intensely in your face, nothing too over the top. I think women can definitely wear this one. Yeah, it's like a fresh, musky, leathery scent. It's not very masculine or deep or rich or anything like that. So it's nice. There's probably some white woods maybe in there as well. Clean. I mean, it's very white wood orientated, the bottle. So yeah, I'll have that on. I'll smell it out throughout the day, and I'll see you next time.